Traxxas just launched the Raptor-R, their newest member of the innovative Traxxas Pro Scale lineup. Superb scale detail and proportion combine with 4x4 traction and extreme Volinian brushless power to faithfully capture the Raptor-R driving experience. Only Traxxas Pro Scale delivers the exacting realism, unbeatable speed and durability performance drivers demand. But wait, is this rig worth the whopping $529 price tag? Should you buy it? Let's find out and watch before you buy in this episode of RCReview.com. Here at RCReview.com, we do all the groundwork and research on the latest RCs and upgrades, so you don't have to. There's no need to watch video after video, read through exhaustive spec pages, or scour countless forums. Our review videos summarize everything you need to know to make the right decision. So watch till the end as we count down the Raptor-R's top 5 Pro Scale features you must know before deciding if this truck is for you. And guys, watch this video to win your free RC. Stick around till the end and we'll let you know how. Winning an RC has never been easier, and who doesn't want a free RC? So don't miss out. A big congratulations to our previous winners. Let's get into the Raptor-R's top 5 Pro Scale features. Number 5. New Extended Chassis. The Raptor-R's new extended chassis features a longer wheelbase developed specifically for this rig. In addition to ensuring accurate proportions, the longer footprint improves high-speed stability and refines handling. Extra reinforcements in the chassis improve structural rigidity for hard charging action and high-flying stunts. The chassis features front and rear bulkheads that remove easily with just a few screws. In less than a minute, using a power screwdriver, you'll have full access for easy service and adjustment. Fitted onto the chassis is an optimum geometry steering system with an integrated servo saver. A dual bell crank design pivots on rubber-sealed ball bearings for smooth action in the harshest conditions. The integrated cam-type servo saver protects the servo gears from crash impacts without sacrificing steering precision. Rugged side Nerf bars protect the chassis from rocks and other impacts. They also provide side support for the body for door-to-door racing action and impact protection. Number 4. Extreme Duty Suspension. The Extreme Heavy Duty Upgrade Kit comes pre-installed on the Raptor-R to withstand the brutal punishment of high-power brushless systems. Made from the toughest cold weather-resistant composite material, the Raptor-R's drive shafts and suspension components are beefed up with extra material and overbuilt construction to form a nearly indestructible driveline. The heavy-duty suspension arms provide just the right amount of flex to resist braking, from skate parks to 10-foot ramps. These suspension arms stand up to even the most punishing drivers for non-stop fun behind the wheel. Progressive rate springs on the suspension are lighter through the initial range of travel to maintain traction and composure over small ruts and bumps. Hit the big jumps and the springs tighten up to prevent bottoming the chassis at the upper limits of the suspension travel. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. By subscribing, you stand a chance to win your free RC in our subscriber giveaways. We'll let you know how you can win at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Liking and subscribing also helps our channel grow and helps us bring you more content like this, so please support us. Number 3. Updated drivetrain. The Raptor-R's patented torque control slipper clutch design uses semi-metallic friction pads and a finned aluminum pressure plate to dissipate heat and provide consistent traction control. The slipper plate is easily adjusted without disassembly or removal, and the unique 3-pad design is proven tough in Traxxas' most powerful vehicles. Designed from the start to handle big brushless power, the Raptor-R's 4x4 driveline uses a rugged spur gear with large 0.8 module 32 pitch teeth for reliability no matter how much power you pour on. The Raptor-R's huge diameter max duty drive shafts and upgraded U-joints are built to handle extreme Volinian brushless power with ease. Large 6mm axles key into the included steel wheel hexes for unmatched strength and durability. Proven front and rear oil-filled differentials utilize steel gear internals for maximum durability. Silicone gaskets and X-ring seals allow you to tune the amount of locking action by varying the viscosity of the fluid inside the differentials. Fixed gear adapters take the guesswork out of setting your gear mesh. The fixed positioning keeps the gear mesh tight, even after the harshest landings. The innovative motor mount keeps the Volinian motor locked firmly in place, with just a single screw for easy maintenance. Number 2. Updated body and wheels. The Raptor-R's clipless body latches are neatly integrated into the molded body reinforcements that look great and protect the body. Unlike traditional posts and clips, body reinforcements spread the impact forces over a wide area to minimize the risk of pull-through damage. The Raptor-R's front and rear impact-absorbing bumpers look as good as they perform. In addition to their integrated LED lighting, the bumpers are built Traxxas tough to absorb impact damage and give the truck a menacing stance. Oversized BF Goodrich all-terrain TA-KO2 tires are 5mm taller than standard slash tires to replicate the look and stance of the full-sized meaty 37-inch treads. The replica Ford option wheels, with beadlock trim, feature the same 2.2-inch outer and 3-inch inner diameter as conventional short-course truck wheels. Guys, let us know in the comments which RCs and upgrades you're thinking about getting, and we'll review it so you can watch before you buy. Number 1. High-speed electronics. The Raptor-R comes with a Volinian 3500 kV brushless motor, which uses ultra-high temperature neodymium magnets, high-speed ball bearings, and a precision-balanced rotor for power and long life. The Volinian 3500 delivers consistent high-power output, run after run. The Volinian motor is powered by the waterproof Volinian VXL 3S speed control, which is packed with technology to deliver maximum power. A large heatsink, integrated on-off switch, and 3 programmable drive profiles top the feature list. 2-stage low-voltage detection allows full LiPo compatibility, including powerful 11.1-volt 3S packs. The Raptor-R's extreme 60+ miles/hour speed and quick reflexes require a steering servo that's both strong and fast. The included digital high-speed, high-torque servo features ball bearings for precise control and quick reflexes. The electronics are controlled by a 5-channel TQI receiver with failsafe. In the event of signal loss, the receiver automatically returns the throttle to neutral and holds the last steering position. So now that you know the Raptor-R's top 5 Pro Scale features, should you buy it? With its new extended chassis, extreme duty suspension, updated drivetrain, updated body and wheels, and most importantly, its high-speed electronics, make the Raptor-R the only off-road truck you will ever need. So if you haven't already, rush to get your Raptor-R today. If you've liked this video and would like to know the latest and best RCs and upgrades, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And guys, as promised, here's how you can win your free RC. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Step 2. Let us know in the comments which feature from the video you like the most. Step 3. Watch this video till the end and let us know the number 1 feature. Fill in your answer and enter the draw at rcreview.com/win. It's as simple as that. And remember to follow us on Instagram at rcreviewed_YouTube to know if you win. All winners are announced live on Instagram and our social pages. So now that you know the Raptor-R's top 5 Pro Scale features, click below to know about the bike to kill all bikes, the Losi ProMoto MX. Warning: don't watch this video if you've already got the ProMoto MX.